This is the West Virginia State Police has issued an M for child abduction alert for 3-year-old Daniel Athens, a black male, approximately 3 foot 1 tall, with black hair and brown eyes, wearing a white hoodie and blue jeans. The abductor is believed to be Tyrone Athens, who is believed to be the non-custodial stepfather. He is a black male, approximately 6 foot 3 inches tall, with black hair and brown eyes, wearing a blue jacket and black pants and red shoes. The suspect may be traveling in a red 1998 Honda Accord with license plate BKY369. If you spot the child or the suspect, call 911.